throughout the presentation. So now Nishan is starting this as an activity. This is last lesson of picture description, lesson 5, where you have to use the given prompts to describe the picture. From this prompts only you are going to do the description part. So come on, start Nishan.
So there's a game of football. It's a thrilling game. There are 11 players who play. So 10 players on the field and one is benched. In case someone gets injured and they have to be subbed. So this is a holding game. Both teams are equal. It all comes down to this free kick. It is a outdoor. Football is usually an outdoor game. There are 2 goals, and there are usually 10 players who play. There's a goalkeeper, a striker who is supposed to go to the other side and oncoming strikers, and there are the midfielders who are also supposed to defend or maybe attack. There are corners, free kicks and penalties. Corners are when the opposite side kicks the ball towards the corners or misses the goal. So the player, he takes the kick, and if it goes in, it's counted as a goal. And penalties are when both sides are equal, the time is over. The time limit is usually 80 minutes, and there are 4 halves, 20 minutes for each. There's a break for 5 minutes. So if they score, it's called a goal. And penalties are when all the players are behind the ball except the guy who's going to kick it. If he scores, if all players needs to kick it except the goalkeeper. So if one of the team gets 1 goal or 2 goals ahead of the other team, then those teams are declared as the winner. This game is all over the world. Mostly Brazilians are popular for playing this game because they're really good. And thank you.
Amazing,
Yes,
Nishan. Marvelous, outstanding performance done by Nishan without using any help. After the prompts were given, still I helped some of the students. They require some help and they look at this format, this general description, and then they speak on that topic. But here you did unstoppable presentation without a break, complete description about football. Even I didn't know so many things about this game which I learned from you today. Amazing, Nishan. Very good. So you're very much fond of football, I guess.
Yes, ma'am. We play football.
Yeah. So Nishan's favorite sport this was. So he has completely elucidated about that. So now coming to the next picture here. Look at it carefully, Nishan, before you start. It's a speech presentation. The boy here is there on the page to speak something, and there are different kinds of speeches. So he's gonna give the award acceptance speech. Now use the prompts and talk about the scene there, what's going on. And you can add up as many sentences as you want, as you did for football. All the best.
Can I start?
Yes, please start.
So this is an award acceptance speech where a person who has won the award takes the award from the judges or the visitors or the special guest, and when the person has to talk on the mic about the award acceptance speech, he has to tell how we won the award, how much hard work did he do. And this is usually a very memorable event where everyone is looking forward to get a reward. But there are also sometimes a participation reward which you don't get to talk a speech about, and where the person he has to come on the podium, which is a small corner stand type of structure, and it has a mic to it, and the person has to speak about how he got the award and etc. Thank you. I'm done.
Very good, Nishan. Very good. No mistakes at all. Flawless presentation. Amazing. Super. Coming to the next one. Yes. Now here is it's a very clear picture. I do not say anything. You can start.
So this is a picture of swimming. Swimming helps you in many ways. Example, it can be help for relaxing, stretching your muscles. It also helps you build up your muscles. There are various things that are done on the swimming pool. There are also water sports, but maybe some kids splash water against each other, and there might be a father and kid bonding, sparkling sunlight, and warm and cozy water. So it is usually fun for swimming because you can either have a race or maybe just swim around for fun. So swimming is also there in Olympics, and in normal swimming pools, the swimming pool is inclined where one side is shorter than the other, and it's usually more comfortable for swimming. Thank you.
Yes, amazing. Outstanding performance. Now let us move on to the next picture. Yes. Be more specific with the picture also, Nishan. Like what's there in the picture and how are the words related to the picture.
So this is a picture of a woman riding a bike. This shows her confidence and her talent. This is also a chance for a mother-daughter bonding. And this is a trolley blazing, leading the way, setting an example. It is challenging, but the woman, she is riding a bullet, and she looks very confident on her skills.
Okay, very good. Done. Good. Very good. Coming to the next one.
Yes. So, gardening is a hobby for some, or maybe a job, because there are many gardeners and they help around the apartment, putting plants. But usually it's as a hobby. So,
what is there in this picture? What is there in this picture? What is being shown in this picture?
That's what I'm saying.
Okay, see.
So gardening is about nurturing the plant and the plant seeds. You're also supposed to remove the weeds, which are unwanted plants that are in the in the way of the plant. This is a perfect time for a father-son bonding.
Yes,
because,
that's what I wanted to say.
Because they help each other to grow plants, and this can carry out an example for a future generations.
Very good.
Yeah,
outstanding. Very nice description. Yes. Now about this picture, trekking.
Ma'am, you are calling this picture scary, if I'm right.
Yes, yes, the same picture.
Yeah. So trekking is a walk on a long distance, either in a mountain or maybe in a forest. Hiking is a shorter distance, not that long, maybe half a forest or maybe a smaller mountain. So it is usually a outdoor activity. It's walking long distances, and maybe on less developed roads, or maybe less developed uneven lands, you can say. So this is all about exploring the nature, maybe having fun with your friends. And there's a lot of adventure, thrill, and excitement. There are many campaigns related to trekking, and usually in trekking there are hiking boots and backpacks. This also can be be a chance for family bonding or maybe friends coming together. Yeah.
Very good. Mind blowing. Coming to the next one.
beach.
Yes.
Hmm. So beach is basically a place where people can make sand castles, or maybe kids can enjoy, families can swim in the sea, and there are many activities near the beach. Example, there'll be a boat, and there'll be a banana type shaped boat, and people have to sit on it. They'll take you out for a ride, but the cool breeze on the beach is really good. The relaxing waves, the soothing and calming, surrounding. And many people also visit the beach for a daily walk or a run, and you can also swim on the sea, or maybe have some family time or etc. Yeah.
Yes. Amazing. Very good. Coming to the next one, farm.
So this picture is of a farm. It usually has plants and animals, and it has a huge house which is near to it called a farmhouse, which is usually used to store maybe barley, wheat, etc. And there are sunny skies, gentle breezes, and ducks swimming, scarecrows standing, and there are chickens clucking, pecking at the ground, and the smell of fresh hay and earth is really refreshing. So, if you want to catch a break, this is the perfect place. And there are a lot of dogs and sheep.
You can do a lot of advertisement, right, Nishan? To different places.
Yeah.
Amazing. Very good. Yes. Now I guess we are coming to the last one. Yes, this is the last picture
No.
description. Oh, no. Two more are there. Snowy winter day and a play school. Last two descriptions. Yes.
A snowy winter day is the most exciting part about the season, because you have chance to have a snowball fight, or maybe build a snowman, or maybe stay near cozy house watching movies, or staying near the fireplace and drinking hot chocolate. So, and if there's a pond nearby, you can do ice skating, and there are many competitions on ice skating, skiing, sledding, which means going down a hill.
Yes.
And this is also, and there are a lot of popular sports during the winter season. And I'm done.
Okay. Amazing. Very good. Nishan, one thing you missed, the picture on the top. What is that?
Icicles.
Yes. You know what is that? You.
Yes, ma'am. They're basically when water drops down, they get frozen in place, and it looks like what? It usually is. It usually is on tree branches and car windshields.
Yes, very good, amazing, very nicely done. All the descriptions. The last one is here. It's a play school.
So this picture is of a play school. This is a place where it's safe, colorful, it's safe, and kids are enjoying. And this is a nurturing place. There are
Nurturing.
many fun activities. Example, art and craft, the colorful toys, and maybe supportive teachers and child-sized furnitures. There are also many educational games. So when few kids' parents go out for work, they usually leave their kids in the play school, so they can enjoy and or maybe get educational values.
Yes, very good. Amazing, Nishan. Outstanding performance done by Nishan here, and I'm really surprised to see such good, flawless performance by you. Till now, no student has
Thanks.
spoken like this. Amazing. So I can give you full score. I actually give points for this presentation. So I think I need to share the score in the group so that your competitor will definitely become alert. Yes.